With the vastness of the Maluti Mountains, the scenic Qulwane and Tabanadi Mele, the hidden caves housing Khoi sand paintings, and the gushing stream of the Senqu River and cascading waters of Malinzunyane Falls, Lesotho is a land waiting to tell stories about its heritage and beauty. The jewel that transcends the peaks of Africa. Oh yeah, experience elevation. What a marvel! Snow in Africa. Lesotho's entire land surface lies over 1,000 meters above sea level, higher than any country in the world. Yes, home to the highest lowest point. Yes, we ski and Christmas is in June. This is where it all begins. Unwavering leadership, peace, love, laughter, and unbrokenly inviting smiles of Basotho, our treasured monarch of times, His Majesty, King Letsie III. Meticulously woven grass crafts, from grass to hat, and grass to mat. Lesotho is an expectant African queen that shall forever hold the skies of Africa. Meet the treasured creatures of Africa and the unmatched hospitality experiences of the destinations in the sky. The cultural encounters for remarkable experiences. Let Lesotho smile on you with her delectable cultural cuisines. Oh yes, malebaleba mejeko le diphala, mohobelo, mokopu le mokgibo, go fa mokopoko wa boAfrika ba nnete, Basotho le botjhaba. Experience elevation. The passion of those who wish to see her. The Mountain Kingdom welcomes the footsteps of those from lands and time zones far and wide. The new faces eager to embrace her majestic beauty. Experience elevation. From stone to stone of the sparkling crystals, water drop to water drop, the grand reservoirs that never go thirsty. The Lesotho trade and investment offer goes far beyond its natural endowments found in water, diamonds, and elevations. The Kingdom of Lesotho is a shining bride awaiting your long-awaited investment marriage. With the breathtaking, majestic views and opportunity, we pride ourselves in 300 days of sunshine. Yes, we are here. Experience elevation. Introducing the Lesotho National Photo Bank, Lehagwe. This is a government of the Kingdom of Lesotho initiative supported by the United Nations Development Program, Lesotho Tourism Development Corporation, the Lesotho National Development Corporation, and Lesotho Highlands Development Authority.